So today I'm about to show you how to delete a project folder in Flowit.io. Step by step. If you want to clean up your workspace or remove unused projects, this will help you do it quickly. Let's get started. First, open Flowit and go to your project dashboard. From here, locate the folder you want to delete. Next, hover over the folder or click on it to reveal more options. Now, look for the three dots menu or settings icon. Click on it, then select Delete Folder. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Confirm or Delete to permanently remove the folder. So, deleting a folder will also remove all projects inside it and any saved workflows in that folder. So, you need to make sure to back up anything important before deleting. And tip, if you don't see the delete option, make sure you have permission or try refreshing the page and check if the folder is empty or active. And that's it. That's how to delete a project folder in Flowit.io. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you in the next one.